Hey guys, this is Funda on Anshupagama. Tonight on Imbewu, there is Maharaji war with Noxola. Maharaji need Makosazana things on Noxola, while Noxola wants the information about the baby on Maharaj. Noxola accuses Kolego of stealing their baby and leaving him stabbed and perplexed. Noxola bedroom is ransacked and Makosazana things are gone and Maharaji call off their deal. And it seems like Makosazana is shocked when he found that Makosazana things are gone and she thinks that Maharaji take it. And it seems like the deal is over. While Bexisa is confused by two ladies, Tando and Bali. That is for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.